What's up, guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Echo Show. So there's two ways of doing it. So the first way is if you don't have an account set up yet. So you bought an Echo Show and for some reason you can't log in, you can't get it to sync, you don't have an account set up. How you're going to reset it is going to be with this plus and minus button on the top. You're going to hold that for 15 seconds. And then you'll see a blue light appear on the bottom and it'll be reset. Now, let's say you do have an account set up. How you're going to get that reset is here on the top. What you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna go to the settings tab. So we'll go ahead and click the settings tab. And then you'll scroll down a little bit more until you see device options. So device options, go ahead and click that. And then from device options, you'll scroll all the way down, again on the bottom, and it'll say reset to factory defaults. So you go ahead and click that, and then you just click the reset button there, and that's gonna reset to the factory defaults for you. So just to recap for you again, if you don't have your account set up, it's gonna be that plus and minus button to reset it. If you do have your account set up, you're gonna be able to go to the settings, device options, and then factory reset it from there. So if you guys have any questions or need any help at all, just go ahead and ask me or leave it in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if I helped you. And guys, have a great rest of your day. See ya.